Hello there, YouTubers. This is a Bell & Gossett electric motor off of a Bell & Gossett pump that I am currently rebuilding. The motor in this whole entire assembly is completely rebuilt. It's got a few new parts inside the motor, such as a new spring and just other various stuff. But anyways, it's in its holder right now, and it's a motor cradle, so, you know, this is not the motor itself right here. Nor is this. This is not a capacitor up here. This is actually just a wiring box. But this motor looks very, very old when you take it out of its shell. You can kind of tell it's old. It's got a drip oil sump reservoir on both sides, little oilers. Very small stubby shaft for the pump hookup. Here's the rest of the pump. This is what I'm rebuilding right here. But this goes on like that, and then But it's kind of cool because it's got an oil sump right here, which I have all the parts to this pump that just have it taken apart. The shaft mechanical seal went bad, so I'm looking for a new one for cheap. But that's what I'm replacing on it. Then I'm going to use it. Here's the head of the pump. This is where the impeller goes. So, yeah. With further ado, I'm going to fire this thing up. First, I'm going to read some information actually. It's a Bell & Gossett, made in USA. Morton something, I can't read that. 1/12 of a horsepower, 1,725 RPMs, 1 phase, 60 cycles, 110 volts, 1.7 amps, continuous rating, 40 degrees Celsius, continuous duty. And it's got its original decals on it, like the how to install the pump, the tag, and then the logo, which is pretty cool. So it's a very, very quiet motor, so I'm going to go ahead and fire it up, and we're going to have to be very quiet to hear it. It is now running. Very, very quiet. This motor is, I believe, a centrifugal start. I think that's how this one is. It's got the centrifugal start switch, so that's what I'm assuming. But there's someone else on YouTube that has a motor like this. It's I believe it's 1944 John Deere E. I think that's what his YouTube is. I'll shut it off. You can hear the click. I just started it. You can hear that switch in there. Let's take a closer look at the shaft. And you can see the centrifugal start switch spark right down into there, so keep an eye out for that. And it couldn't that time. Let's try it again. Nope. Well, shoot. I don't know if it's going to show up on the camera. Well, you're just going to have to take my word for it. There is a spark that goes on down there. I'm trying to get it to show. Yeah, it's not going to work. But anyways, there it is, the Bell & Gossett motor. It's rather small. As you can see, I can hold it in my hand. So, there you have it, folks. Hope you enjoy. I'll do a update video as soon as I get the whole entire pump together, and I'm actually going to use it for something that you guys will think is cool. So, anyways, see you guys later.